everyone is talking about how AI will take your job and they're predicting what to do next. And to be very honest, I think no one really knows the full spectrum of what AI can become. Learn AI, start over, become a prompt engineer. But that's really not realistic for most of us. But let me tell you, there are better ways. Let's find an area where AI is moving the fastest and try to learn something from it. One of the clearest example right now is software engineering. AI is already doing a big chunk of it, and it's only going to get worse. But not all developers are stuck. Some are doing pretty fine. They are not quitting or rebranding as something completely new. They are shifting slightly towards things like product design, system design, and workflow tools. And that's the pattern. You notice where the change is happening. You take a step to the side, something very close and familiar, you learn that and you connect the dots. For example, you are a front-end developer. Now that you see that AI is taking over the field comparatively faster, you try to understand the areas that are not influenced. Let's say back-end development. Then you try to combine both of them into your expertise. It's not flashy, but it works. It makes you flexible. And that flexibility is the real defense against AI. To be honest, everyone is looking for certainty right now, but there just isn't any. What we can do is keep close to where the action is happening and keep moving forward. You don't have to move fields. You just have to understand what's nearby and take a step over. That's how you grow. That's how you stay in the game. Now, if you are a developer or an AI engineer like me and you want to understand more ways to overcome AI, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Until the next video, see you.